So we have another weekend. I guess the Farmer's Almanac has this as a very wet spring coming. And if you can't tell, it's kind of what it's got. Today is real bad rain coming through here for a few hours yet again. Our flock is out in it. I believe the chickens have run back into the coop. They're kind of smart. This is what we're dealing with. Very foggy. Heavy rain again now. So not a whole lot of outdoor chores is going to get done today. Luckily, I got everything I needed done earlier this morning. Not a whole lot that I had to do, I guess you could say. But our plans for the future, when this kind of weather comes up, of course, is going to be a little more hectic for us because I'll have more to do. Anyhow, just a quick, very quick update. Today's video is going to be short. That cabinet, of course, I've talked about. I'm going to shorten that cabinet at some point, and that hood's going to come off because we have a new microwave, and over the stove microwave that we're going to put in, and that cabinet has to be up higher. But to do all this, I've got to have electric. We had an electrician come in the other day and look at it. He couldn't tell a whole lot because, of course, to do a lot you have to tear the wall apart. So we don't want to pay someone to do something I can do. I can do demo. So it looks like the hood electric is in over here into this cabinet and somehow goes into the wall. I'm thinking it goes into this piece of wood. I think that's just wood that's it's not a full chunk of wood. It's not a like 6x6 or anything like that. It's not a load bearing, so I think it goes up into that piece of wood. I don't know if you can tell. Let's go ahead and do that. And it goes through that piece of wood into the wall there, to the right, and into the closet that's right there on the other side of that wall. And because the fuse panel is on this wall where my desk is for work, and I think it goes into there somehow. So I'm going to pull this section of the wall off, look in there and see if I might be able to see some wires. I know that the upstairs water lines for sewage, as well as the hot and cold water that come from down here at our main water inlet, I know they run through this somehow and go up, because I can tell. When we flush the toilet or run the water, you can hear it when it comes down. So anyhow, go ahead and set the camera up and we'll see what we can see. Okay, first things first. Decorations got to come down. Love is patient. Love is kind. So I'm not like an electrician or anything, but looks like it's got 3 lines going out, maybe 1 coming in, or something like that. There's the hole that it comes into. So that this way, I don't know. I can't really get in that way. Let's see if I can. The phone and there it is. So of course this is going to an electrical outlet, which is this out coming out. So these 3 out, and there's more that are going through here. So 1 coming in, 3 going out, which probably isn't good. Like I said, I'm not an electrician. Anyhow, all right, and I went ahead and came over here. This is what looked like, I think it was maybe a 6x4, but it's just 3 pieces of wood put together with a couple of pieces of wood inside to make it look like a beam going across the kitchen. I think that's where we'll run our electric. We'll put a hole over here, and we'll do a hole right over here, running our electric from the panel over through this wall for the microwave. Because that is right above the stove. So going in the wall, I can pull that piece of the wall and get it down the wall, and it'll be all good to go. So I think I've got it figured out. Now it's just shortening that cabinet, getting rid of the hood, putting the cabinet back, getting the wire pulled, putting another fuse in the fuse panel. Probably a 20 amp, I think, is what I need, and going from there.